Àṣàbí, Àṣàbí. The word ṣà means to select. It means to carefully choose. And bí means to give birth to conceive, to born. Therefore, an Àṣàbí is a child of a select birth. Ọmọ tí a ṣà láti bí, the child we chose before we gave birth to. You were selected to be born by us. Yours is a select birth. What that is saying is that giving birth to you was not coincidental. Having you was not as a result of some biological happenstance. Intentionality and deliberation went into the birth of you. You were selected, carefully chosen to be our child. Yours is not a regular random birth. Ìbí tìrẹ àṣà ni. So what this name is saying is that this child is not a regular one. This birth is one with a purpose. Àṣàbí, ìbí tí a ṣà, the child of select birth. Wàá Ṣere.